Hi guys, from this side. In this video, I'll tell you that how you can change the wallpaper in your Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, then all the settings and the action will be the same. Okay, so don't worry if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, settings will be same. This is the very important need when we use laptop/computer for the first time in our life and we want to change the wallpaper and we don't know. So don't worry, this is the right video to tell you everything about it. So let's start the main part of the video. First, let me show you that what version of the Windows I'm using right now. So, settings, system, about. Here you can see that what version of the Windows I'm using right now. This is the Windows 11 Home single language. So, this is the proof that I'm using Windows 11. So, next step is how can we change the wallpaper. So, right click of the mouse, and if you are using a laptop, then go with your mouse pad. Okay, after pressing the right click of your mouse, this window will appear. Okay, so go to the personalize. After going to the personalize, here you will see a lot of option: background, colors, themes, dynamic lighting. Go with the background one, I mean the first option. In the background here you can see the pictures. Okay, and you can also see some pictures here. These are the pictures which I have used one time or another in my life, so that's why they are here. If you have not used any another wallpaper in your laptop, you are just going with your default wallpaper, then this area might be blank. Okay, so don't worry. What you will do here, you can see the pictures. You need to go with the browse photos, click on that. After clicking on that, this window will appear. Okay, this is the file window where you need to navigate that where is your picture, where is your wallpaper. So I have this picture. Here you can see that this is the preview. Okay, that how your screen will look like. Let me show you. See that how my actual screen is looking like. So this is how you can check your all the photos, all the pictures. If I want to use some another one, what I'll do, if I want to use this one, then double press on it. Here you can see the preview, see the actual screen. Okay, so this is how you can change the wallpaper with your file. If you have some wallpaper, if you have some pictures in your files, you just need to navigate. You can get all those pictures and files from another device, another laptop, or from your phone or from the internet. You can use any browser for that. This is the picture. If you don't have any picture but you want a change, what you can do, use this drop down button and option, and a lot of option will also appear. This is a solid color. If you love solid color, select that and you can choose any color. Like if I want to use this gold one, see that how my screen will look like. This is the preview. Okay, see that how my actual screen is looking like. And you can choose any another solid color. If there is not the color which you are looking for, you can go with the view colors. From here you can choose any another color. Okay, you can customize your choice and press on that. And here you can see the preview. Okay, and some another option is also there. You can also go with the slideshow. In the slideshow you just need to select some a lot of pictures from your file, and you can change the frequency. If you want to see a new wallpaper, new picture in every 1 minute, you can go with the 1 minute, 10 minute, 30 minute. But first you will have to go with the browse button and you have to select some pictures. Okay, and some another settings are there. Shuffle the picture order. By using this, you can ignore the order. Okay, so this is the slideshow, and the last one is Windows Spotlight. I don't have much more idea about Windows Spotlight, but I have some a little bit knowledge about it, that what is Windows Spotlight. First see the preview. Okay, that how the screen will look like. See the actual screen. What I know about Windows Spotlight is that, if I'm not wrong, that after next 24 hour, in every 24 hour you will have a wallpaper. Okay, you don't need to do anything, you will have wallpaper, a new wallpaper in next 40, in next 24 hour. Okay, in every 24 hour. So you can see that this wallpaper is so much beautiful, and whatever the next wallpaper will appear, the beauty level will be the same or more than this. Okay, so you can understand that how you can change the wallpaper in your laptop/computer. Okay, you just need to press right click of the mouse. After pressing the right place, go to the personalize, and from here you can go. From here you can change the wallpaper in the Windows Spotlight, pictures. I want to go with my previous wallpaper, which is this. Okay, so this is how you can change the wallpaper. I hope you have understand how you can do it. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can go with the comment section. You can drop down your all the demands, query, whatever the topics you want. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.